I come from a place where history breathes through the soil, where royalty is not just a title, it is a responsibility. I am a son of the lineage of Obi Olise, born in the historic town of Ubulu-Uku Kingdom in Aniocha South local government area of Delta State. And from the moment I understood who I was, I made a vow that our stories would never be lost. I am Prince Onwordi Ngozi Fortune, visionary storyteller, cultural advocate, and a proud unifier of Igbo identity. Alongside my wife, we founded Kutokea Afrika Media Ltd and became the publisher of Enuani Cultural Forum. Today, Nigeria's most widely followed online history platform. But let me tell you, this was never just about building a platform. This was about bringing a people back to the consciousness of who they are, restoring our pride, reclaiming our memory, and reigniting our identity as a people. Mbaji olu ndị ka ọgbọdọ bụ amadu ji okwuru mbaji 40 ka ọ dị ya na mmanụ 25 liters asị nke mbịa ka ewe ya n'ebe nsi bịa maka na asị wena nwa pụrụ ma ọ bụ nwa Tinubu onye pụrụ aka ngesi ka mbịa ka ya bụ nwa nke m na were irikọ aka isi irikọ na I have had the privilege of serving my people beyond the pages of history as a special assistant to the governor of Delta State on community liaison and as a special assistant to the Honorable Commissioner for Technical Education in Delta State. I learned that culture and community are inseparable. You cannot empower a people without reminding them of their greatness. If you want to demean a people, take away their identity from them first.
If you are not a student of a government school in my time, we will say you are tired of going to school. So I don't know what you people have turned government school and students into. There is a place you can walk into anytime you like. There's no standard. From this day, mark the date of today down. When you get back home, talk to your parents.
I hold a degree in biotechnology from the Federal University of Technology, Owerri. Some may wonder, what am I doing? Or what does science have to do with culture? Everything. Because I approach every story with the same precision, curiosity, and discipline that science demands, especially biotechnology. As a writer, a biographer, and a media entrepreneur, I don't just tell stories. I excavate them, preserve them, I breathe life back into them, and serve them to you on a plate.
Every story, every page we publish, every story we tell, every history we uncover is a seed planted for the generation that comes after us, that they may know who they are, so they will stand tall. By knowing who they are, they will stand tall and say, I know where I come from. This is Enuani Cultural Forum, and I am its publisher. I am Prince Onwordi Ngozi Fortune. Thank you for being one of the strongest supporters of Enuani Cultural Forum. If you enjoy what we do here, please invite more people to come and follow us on all social media platforms. Also check out our website www.enuaniculturalforum.com. All our social media handles bear the same name: on Facebook, on X, on Instagram, on TikTok, and on YouTube. Follow us on Enuani Cultural Forum. Thank you. Bye-bye.